So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create groups in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I will be working with the Superstore dataset. It has columns like order date, category, sales, quantity, and profit. And in the report pane, I have made one small dashboard. These two cards represent total sales and profit, and this donut chart represents sales by category. Now let's say we want to group these two cards together. So how we can do that? So for that, select any card, just click on this, and we need to perform control plus click to select another card. So over here, control plus click on this card. So we have selected both this card. Now right click on any one card, click on group and just select group. So we have successfully grouped these two cards. In order to see all the groups, go to format, click on selection, and over here in the selection pane you can see all the groups. So this is recently we have created, and in this group two things are there: total profit and total sales. Now let's say you want to change background color of this group. So select this group, go to format, over here on this background thing, and change the background color, let's say this one. So as you guys can see, we have successfully changed the background color of this group. Now let's say you want to ungroup this thing. So again in the selection pane, come to this group, right click on this group and just select on ungroup, and we have successfully ungrouped as well. So in this way one can create groups in Power BI, and if you want then ungroup them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.